Hi, welcome to Easy Life Recipes. I'm Samruddhi and today we are preparing paneer fry. For this, take paneer cube of this size. Spread chili powder, salt, then simply roll the paneer cube. Add some more chili powder and salt and roll the remaining cubes. Now the cubes are ready to be fried. In a tawa, add 1 teaspoon of oil, spread it. Now place all the paneer cubes onto the tawa and cook for 30 seconds on all the sides on medium flame. And there you go, the paneer fry is ready. Thank you for stopping by and watching our channel Easy Life Recipes. Please do like, subscribe and share, and always stay happy, always stay blessed. See ya.